Here's how to put your name on your iPhone lock screen. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can put your name on your iPhone lock screen. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are two methods on how you can do this. So make sure you watch till the end to exactly know both of the methods. So the first method is pretty simple. What you have to do is just go to your control center, swipe down, and you'll see focus mode. So here, as you can see, I've already turned on my focus mode, but it's basically a simple method from iPhone, and it's called do not disturb. But yeah, you need to customize it. What you need to do is just hold this do not disturb option or any other option, and you'll see new focus. Just press on new focus and it will bring you up right over here. What you have to do is just press on custom, and once you press on custom, you will be able to see the section of name. Just fill out your name or anything that you want to put on. So I'm just gonna type in AKI and then 670. So now you get to choose the colors. You got many different types of colors, and I'm just gonna go with blue. So here in the last, you'll be able to see emojis or different types of interactions. So you could just use any of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this heart. So yeah, once you do this, just press next and then just press customize focus. Once it's done, you get to choose what kind of notification you want to choose, and it's up to you what you want to customize. But yeah, it's done. What you need to do is just go back and then select this. Once you selected it, now we got our first one turned on. So we're gonna go for our second method. So the second method is pretty simple. What you have to do is just go to your app store. So yeah, once you're in the app store, what you have to do is just go to your search bar. And once you're in search bar, just type in any text. Just type in any and then text. And you could just type in widgets in front of it, but it will just pop up. Yeah, just go ahead and it will just load up in a few seconds. And here, as you can see, I got this. You just need to download this app. So I'm just gonna download this app. Now it's gonna ask for verification. So I'm just gonna do my verification. So yeah, once it starts, so here, as you can see, it's gonna download in a few seconds because it's like in megabytes. So yeah, here, as you can see, it's downloaded. What you need to do is just press open, and once you're in the app, just press on get started, and now just type in your name right over here. I'm just gonna type in the same name and then press done. Once you've pressed done, just go back and here, as you can see, to confirm that your widget has been selected. So now we're just gonna go back to our lock screen and see what we can do over there. So yeah, I'll see you in the lock screen. So yeah guys, here we are on our lock screen. So here, as you can see, I got my name on the downside, but I can see my name anywhere right next to the timer. So what you need to do is just press and hold your wallpaper, and you will be able to see the option of customize. Just press on customize and then press on lock screen. So once you press on lock screen, what you need to do is just press on add widgets. Once you do this, you will be able to see any text widget. Just press on it and then just press confirm add widget. And now you could just add your name just like that, however you would want. So I'm just gonna go with this, simpler, just like that, and I can just go for the corner one and then just basically go back and then press done. So here, as you can see, I've now successfully set it up, my name and on the both sides. So yeah, this is how you can put your name on your iPhone lock screen. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.